Is gold losing its shine or just coiling for its next explosive move? The precious metal has been on a wild ride, especially after the latest inflation data hit the wires. Let's dive into the charts and see where the key opportunities are hiding. The overall market is a real tug-of-war right now. We saw a significant price drop after the US CPI data was released, sending gold tumbling to test some critical support zones. This has traders divided. Some are viewing this as the beginning of a larger downward trend, while others see this pullback as a prime buying opportunity. Let's first look at the case for the bears. They are heavily focused on a strong resistance zone that has formed between the 3360 and 3375 price levels. Multiple technical setups identify this area as a ceiling where selling pressure is high. After the price failed to break through this zone, it fell sharply. Bearish targets are now being set around 3340, with some looking for a further drop towards the 3320 support level. But the bulls aren't giving up. They're watching the price action very closely around the 3320 to 3330 support area. This zone is being highlighted as a crucial battleground. If the price fails to break below this level, it could signal a powerful rebound. Many are looking for buy entries in the 3325 to 3330 range. A successful defense of this support could see gold rally back up toward 3350, with a longer-term target retesting the higher resistance near 3380. Some Elliott wave analyses even project a much larger upward move developing. So, here are the key takeaways. We have a classic standoff situation. For sellers, the key resistance is the 3360 to 3375 zone. As long as the price stays below this, the bears remain in control. For buyers, the critical support level is 3320 to 3330. A strong hold here could be the launch pad for the next leg up. The market is essentially trapped between these two powerful levels. Fundamentally, the World Gold Council has noted that worsening economic conditions could significantly boost gold demand later this year. But for now, the technical levels are dictating the price action. Keep a close eye on these key zones, as the direction gold breaks will likely determine its next major trend. As always, trade wisely.